Hello, my name is Martin Hanna. I am from the Bahamas, and I teach at the Theological Seminary at Andrews University in Michigan in the United States. I am especially looking forward to fellowship with you and with a wonderful lineup of great speakers at the Alberta Conference Camp Meeting 2022. An exciting theme has been chosen for the camp meeting: Forging Ahead. We are expecting wonderful blessings from the Lord during these meetings at the Foothills Adventist Camp and Retreat Center in Bowden, Alberta, Canada, July 15 through 23. Many people wonder if God's foreknowledge and predestination are in contradiction with human freedom. They ask the question, can we really be free if God foreknows and predestines everything? In response to this concern, I will share presentations on the theme, Forging Ahead in Freedom. These presentations will be based on the teachings of the Apostle Paul concerning the harmony of foreknowledge and predestination with the freedom of our calling, justification, and glorification in Jesus Christ. So, join us in Forging Ahead at Camp Meeting from July 15 through 23. Visit albertacampmeeting.ca for more information, and may God richly bless you.